A new member, which is HP 150 Wireless Earbuds, and this is how it looks. Good. And see here the specifications. Specifications: true wireless earbuds, seamless instant pairing, built-in mic and block out the noise, immersed in music and clear call, HP standard 1 year limited warranty. Let us type. We have opened up the seals like this. It comes with the HP seal also. You can see in the full packed condition. This is the box, and it is quite similar to the one shown in here. Let's unbox it. This it's main material. Let's see what's in the box. Actually, it was this. Please remove the protective film before using the earbuds. Actually, we will go deep into this. Now it comes with a cord. You can open up. This is the. And it can get charged by this also. This charger also. This. Here also we can once plug it in and then use it. But I was using this. See, this is before charging condition, and when I switch it on, it starts charging and it gets converted to red color. That's right. What's happening inside? Inside also this is getting charged and there's a red color. More things like extra here. It comes with extra this. Extra. This can be removed, and after charging is done, like this. Now, how to use this? First, we open it up. Let's check this. These are in the connect mode, and actually the protective film that was being talked about was this type of some films. It was attached to somewhere like this, and you just needed to peel it off like this, and then it will come out in the pairing mode in the device. You would use now in the video, or maybe in this video I should show how to connect it. This, okay, that's it. And here was a quick start guide, how to use it and all that thing. One more thing, how to use these things. You actually see, have this. You can just open it up like this, and then I can put it back in like this. Oops, I dropped it. See how easy it is. Here, do it like this. Okay, thank you. And then again, you put this back in. This closes. Laptop, open this like this. And here is some specifications. Second, I want to show you. The name is HP H150 Wireless Earbuds.